pakulo. Pagkain at lugar palaging bago. Reposio!
Can I see your happy face?
Ay, happy face.
Okay. Angry face. Sad face. May I see? Remove your hand. Sad face. Let me see your sad face. How about your excited face? Excited face. How about your silly face? Oh.
How are you today? I hope you are all happy.
How about your funny face?
Very good. Now let us start the test.
Who are you kissing?
Mime, yan talagang style ko.
What's your name?
Practice, that is my way to
That's here and
What's your name? You.
it's here.
How old are you?
And got the
How old are you?
that's
I talk to me first. Oh, how old are you? Where are you from?
Where you from?
Oh, where are you from?
Where you from?
Where are you from?
Where you from? Taguig.
Taguig. Oh, what's the name of this beach?
Bagay.
Boracay. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Ay!
did my daughter did to you? Why?
Hello, good day. So it's another day here and it's another video here in Boracay. So right now, ang gagawin natin? So what we're gonna do is we'll be trying the different mamas dessert here in Boracay. So as you all know, very known yung mga mamas dito sa Boracay. So we have the Coco Mama, Ube Mama, Mango Mama, and yung pinakabago is yung Banana Mama. So yun sila. So we have tried already the Coco Mama and Mango Mama. So na-try na namin yun. So right now, we will include here our videos of our experience doon sa dalawa. And then, right now, ang itatry namin is yung Ube Mama at yung bago na ang sabi is ito yung pinakamasarap ngayon, which is yung Banana Mama. So, yung Mango Mama and Coco Mama, they have an available here at Station 3 sa malapit sa Astoria Current, and yung isang Coco Mama is located in D-Mall, and yung isa namang Ube Mama located siya naman sa D-Mall din, pero sa right side, dun sa pinaka side ng parang mga bilihan ng mga prutas and whatsoever. So pero yung Banana Mama, that one is located sa Talipapa. So yun yung pinaka bago nilang version ng Mama dessert. So we will let you see kung ano ang itsura at ang magiging lasa. So we will show you on this video our comments as well. Okay? So we'll update you later. Bye-bye. So we're back. So we're only us, the three of us, because the gays are tired and they want to rest, but some of them will be going here as well later. So nauna na kami because we don't want to wait. So ayan. So we're here at D-Mall and we're looking for some dessert. I think we're gonna eat Coco Melon. Coco Melon? Ay. Coco Mama and Coco Dada. You want Coco Daddy? Huh? So, where is it? Saan na yun? Ba't nawala? Wala, oh. Dito yun eh. Tapat nito yun eh. Yun. Haba ng pila. So, we're gonna buy now. Go na. So, it's here now.
Hindi mo na-video ang kanina sa...
This is how it's done.
Diyan ka na mag-video. Pag ginagawa. Wait lang, wait lang.
Medyo na lang po. Medyo na lang po.
Wait, we'll give you one moment.
Okay, so here is our Coco Mama. So we're gonna eat it outside. So we're gonna eat it outside the rain in the beachy. So while we're eating this, we will be on the beach.
Yes.
Is there a beach?
Yes, bilis
We're going to the beach.
Kasi baka matulog na.
We're gonna eat
Ito pala
this.
mismo yung area dito.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited to eat this?
Yes.
What's this?
Ice cream.
And then,
Ice cream.
and then,
Mango.
Mango.
Ganun ako yung panlata.
Oh, go, let's buy na. So we'll be buying the mixed banana coco and panucha. Ay, ningi ka pa. Okay, look on the ice cream. Is it yum? Let's go. Gonna eat that na. Come on. Gonna go to the beach. Okay. We're gonna eat that. We're gonna eat only. Okay, let's eat that.
Tagong mo na yan. Gonna eat that.
Let's go, let's eat that. Okay? So we're here at the Talipapa. So ito yung somehow isang bagong place here sa Boracay. Meron dito. We're gonna visit and the beach. Dapat din muna kinain eh. Picturean muna natin sa beach. Okay. Yes, we're gonna buy ice cream there, okay?
Yes.
Sio doesn't want this na. Nagsawa na siya dito. So, ibibili na lang namin siya ng ice cream na selecta. So, yun yung gusto niya. So, we're gonna buy you there in the beach, okay? Say okay. Say okay po, Dada. Okay, so we're gonna eat this first. See you later.
Another one. Wow! Oh, no, faster, faster, faster! 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 Yeah!
Now we will be trying the ube mama. So this is the last one that we haven't tried. So we will be buying here and may pila. It's located here at the Mall Palengke. Yan, so yung bilihan ng mga fruits here. Here, it's already here.
Audrey, who is it? Did you ask who is it? Say, what's your name? Audrey.
Ako sila lang eh.
Audrey, no, they're taking picture. Look, they have a
Say
friend.
hi.
Say hi. Picture, look, picture.
Yung mix na corn, mahab lang.
Ito meron kami.
280.
Gcash ko na lang. Iyo. $288.
Mix po yan, miss. Okay. Bago mo muna si CEO, papapuin ko muna. So, we already have the ube mama. So again, this is the last mama dessert that we'll be trying in. So, medyo kakaiba to, no? Kasi parang merong mga ube kineso dito. So, may mga bilog-bilog siya. Ano yun? Parang mga palitaw. Palitaw, ano? Basta balls eh. So, we're gonna eat this outside. Longgan. Hindi.
Sa Thailand.
Ano siya, be?
Data?
Hindi. Yung parang ano nga, malagkit. Yung ginagamit sa ano, sa mga palitaw. Tsaka sa mga ginatan.
Oo, pwede. Alam ko pudding yan, ube pudding yan.
So, we're gonna eat this outside the beach. Okay. So, we're gonna update you later. While we're eating, what's the taste? Okay, so ayun na, going back. So I'm giving my favorite, my stand to the Mama dessert that we tasted. So for me, my number one, and then my least favorite muna is yung Mango Mama. Kasi parang yung Mango Mama parang na-OA sa sa coconut. Yung parang toppings na nilalagay sa biko. Yung parang ang tawag doon, latik ba yun? Hindi siya latik pero para siyang
Rice, nakalagay black rice.
Hindi yung toppings. Yung parang coconut na nilalagay nga sa biko, yun. Basta yun, hindi ko siya bet kasi parang na-OA siya doon. So, hindi ko na-appreciate masyado yung mango. Though mango pa naman siya. Then, next is yung least favorite is Ube Mama. Then, Ube Mama kasi okay naman siya pero I think di lang ako mahilig sa ube. Kasi masyado siyang maraming ube. Parang na rin ako. Epal! So, yun yung aking second least favorite. And my second favorite na is yung Coco Mama. So, yun yung pinakauna. So, yun yung unang-una kong natikman. So, yun din yung pinaka-second favorite ko. And my most favorite is the Banana Mama. Banana Mama. Kasi, mahilig ako sa banana. Diba, be? Hindi. So, for me, sakto kasi yung tamis niya. And I love it. And meron siyang mga crunchy feeling. Then, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung parang may caramel syrup din. And then, parang may mga yung parang yung cover ng turon, be? Yung cover ng turon.
Yung tamis na samba.
Oo, yung basta may saging din.
Yung mga niya, tapos turon crunch.
May may ayan. So, yung turon, tawag dito, yung parang balot ng turon na na pinrito. So, may ganun siya kasi mahilig ako sa turon. Tapos may saging. Then, yung pinaka nasa baba niya is parang banana cake pudding. Banana pudding ba yun? Oh, so yun. So, that's why I really love it. So, yun lang. My favorite is Banana Mama. And then, second is Coco Mama. And then, third is Ube Mama. And my least favorite is Mango Mama because doon nga sa coconut. Pero, masarap sana yung mango. Pero yun lang nga. Ikaw, be?
Ako, para sa akin, masarap naman siya lahat. Pero depende nga lang sa kung anong bet niyo. Para sa akin, ang pinaka-top notch ko dito is Coco Mama. Kasi mahilig ako sa mango and coconut. Yeah. Most recommended yung mix combination. Kasi meron kasing 2 scoop of mango or 2 scoop of coconut pandan. Pero mas maganda combination. Kasi this one, ito yung guys. And then, kaya ako may brochure dito kasi bibigyan kayo nila tapos may 10% discount kayo. So, nakatipid kami. Na-try namin lahat. Meron pa kasi silang mga seafood mga restaurant. Ang later na yung mga restaurant. So, yung dessert, so top notch ko is number 1 is Coco Mama. Then, the ube, kasi may din ako sa ube. Gusto ko yung ube, ice cream, and corn maha blanca. And then, yung palitaw. Meron sila maliliit di ba? Palitaw.
Parang bilibili.
This one, guys.
Bilibili.
Masarap siya.
Ano yung third?
Ang third ko yung... Di ko bet yung yung... Sakto lang naman. Masarap naman siya, pero di ko... Iba yung texture ng banana sa Banana Mama Hindi masyadong uplift. Hindi masyadong nag-boom yung banana nila.
Kasi like boom?
Yung banana, ito siya.
Hindi sumabog.
Yung para bang mouth-watering ba
Sasabog
tawag?
sa bibig?
Yung parang
Like
habang inunguya mo siya.
Like that.
Habang inunguya mo siya, masarap na habang inunguya mo, sumasarap palalo. Nagmi-mix yung mga flavor. So, ang ano ko dito, ang pinaka least favorite ko, yung banana mama. Yung third is mango mama. Kasi ano naman, favorite ko talaga ang mango. Pero ang recommended talaga yung may rice. Ano ba dito? Yeah, yung may
So, ang
suman.
third mo, Coco, ay
Mango mama yung
Mango
third ko.
Mama.
This one.
Yung
This one
pinaka
is,
least favorite.
nakita ba nila? Yeah, this
Yung
one.
least favorite is yung...
Banana mama. This
So,
one is
yun yung number 1 ko. Tapos game test.
kasi yung texture nung ano nung banana,
No.
iba yung luto eh. Hindi ko masyadong na ano. Wait.
So,
See you.
yun lang.
Tapos ang pinaka masarap yung pizza, ano try nyo guys yung sunny side.
Wait lang, ano nga yan?
Sunny side.
So, yan yung mara-recommend mong restaurant.
Tapos maganda pa siya. Try nyo guys kumain pagpunta kayo ng Boron sa Station 1. Kasi Instagrammable yung view. Sobrang ganda.
So, if you have this, booklet, parang meron dyang mga QR code. So, you can have a 10% discount. Diba? So, may 10% discount that they will get. And then, ano pa ba? Marami pang mga restaurant, no? May expiration ba yan? Kung hanggang kailan?
Wala. Pag sinay ko sa voucher, wala.
So, hanggang
Oo.
kailan lang yan? Wala.
Meron sila eh.
So,
Humingi kayo, mag-ask kayo.
It's
Kasi
better.
hindi nila binibigay. Ask mo siya sa...
hindi rin nila tinatanong kung may discount, diba? So, yun.
Pagtanong ka.
So, it's better to ask. So, yun. Again, yung mama.
Out ha, dapat bago mag-bill out.
Burger! Dito ka na.
Tapos ang kagandahan pa nito guys, lang, meron siyang map yung flyers, this one, talagang hindi kayo maliligaw kung saan kayo pupunta ng restaurant and then yung mga dessert. Yan.
Theo, what are you doing? You're bad, ha?
Ngayon nga natin nalaman yung yung grotto, ang tawag pa lang doon,
Willis Rock?
Wills Rock.
Willis? Wills.
Wills.
Okay. So, yun lang. So, yun yung masasabi namin. Dami namin sinabi. Pero, again, yun yung mga favorite namin on our own panlasa. So, depende pa rin kung may mga gusto
Pero
kayo.
bakit masarap siya?
Oo. Pero, that's our, our own opinion. So, preferring. So again, magkano lahat yung binili natin? Yung mga mix yung binili natin, di ba? 320
Kasi
pesos.
may recommended 320 siya.
Lahat. Lahat ng binili natin yung mix, 320. Kasi yan yung recommended. So, ayun. So, of course, kung first time nyo, you have to try yung recommended nila para ma-feel nyo or malasahan nyo talaga yung pinaka ino-offer nila. So, yun lang. So, again, thank you so much for watching this vlog. And it's actually our last day here in Boracay and we'll be leaving home tomorrow. So, say bye
Bye.
with your feet.
No.
No.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye. Hand. Bye feet.
No, just your hands. Use your hands.
Bye hand.
Okay, so kiss. Flying kiss. So click like, share.
It's goodbye.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
I love you.
Are you so much happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, what's the name of this beach again? Okay, so we're gonna go back tomorrow to the... Gonna go back to the beach again? We're gonna go back to the shop tomorrow in Manila. So where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Answer it. Where are you from? Ta? Where are you from? Ta? What? Taguig. Alright, so we'll be going back na tomorrow. So again, see you and thank you so much for watching. Bye!